Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to unrestrict chats on Messenger. First of all, when you go to Messenger like this and you have a chat, for example, this chat that's annoying you and you want to restrict it, first you will go here and you'll find this page. You will click on restrict, and then here you will click on this sign to restrict this chat. But what happened is, when you restrict this chat, you will not have it anymore in this list. So to solve this problem and to unrestrict the chat that you restrict or you have restrict before, you have to go to this sign of menu, as you see. Then in this page you will find this sign of settings. After that you will go to this window of privacy and safety. You will enter here. In this page you will find this window and you will go to this page of restricted accounts. You will enter, and then here you will find the chat that you restricted before, and you will click on it. And here in this page you will find this sign here, as you see. You click on it, and in this list you will find this page of unrestrict. You will click here, as you see, to unrestrict the chat, as you see. So when you go back to the chat, you will find it again in this list here, as you see. You will find it here. So that's it. That's how you can unrestrict chats on Messenger in this way. So if you enjoyed the video and if this video helped you to solve your problem, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.